Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to cancel a Vrbo reservation in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a change of plans or just need to free up your schedule, canceling a booking can feel stressful, but I've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll handle it like a pro, potentially saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Vrbo account. Head over to the Vrbo website or app and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need one to manage your reservations, so go ahead and sign up if necessary. Once you're in, navigate to the My Trips or Reservations section. This is usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming bookings. Look for the specific reservation you want to cancel and click on it to open the details. Next, find the cancellation option. It might be a button labeled Cancel Booking or something similar. Before you proceed, take a moment to read the cancellation policy. Vrbo has updated their policies for 2025, so check for any new rules on fees or deadlines. Many bookings have a free cancellation window, often 24 to 48 hours before check-in, but this varies. If you're within the eligible period, confirm your cancellation. You'll likely be prompted to review any potential charges, like partial refunds or penalties, so double-check that. After confirming, you should receive an email confirmation from Vrbo. Keep that for your records. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always cancel as early as possible to minimize fees, and if you run into issues, contact Vrbo customer support through their help center or chat feature. For 2025, they've improved their AI chatbots for faster responses, which is a game changer. And there you have it. That's how you cancel a Vrbo reservation in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.